Hey, it's Otto Rupsman, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what this is all about. And what I mean by this is I have always, my entire life, have always been about just like super achievement, super athleticism. So I'm really creating now a place for athletic super achievement, where you can become a super achiever athletically, where you can take on this super athletic role and take your game to even the next level. Or even if you're just trying to make the team, make it up there to the team and take it to the next level. And it's all about getting to the next level, the next level. That's what super achievement is about. That's what super athletic achievement is about taking your game to the next level. And so, when I was growing up, I was always practicing by myself, shooting hoops, working on my game, dribbling in the house, driving my mother nuts, doing things that, to work on my handles or my skills or anything and everything. And so I was always intensely focused on how do you become like this super athlete? How do you become the super achiever? And like right now I'm actually standing in a home gym of a good friend of mine's who I've been training with him recently to learn just a little bit more about how to take my game or my athleticism to the next level. Just a little bit more to get that much better. And so, I've made it a practice my entire life. And so many of the things that I'm giving to you in video here are about how to just go a little bit more, just a little bit more. And, it comes from heart. All success comes from heart. Having a concise, clear, defined focus of exactly what it is you want. Growing up, I wanted to win a state championship, and I put time into it and effort into it and everything into it, and it got to the point where played in the state championship. At the end of the day, we were actually playing a team that was featured in Sports Illustrated with the longest high school basketball winning streak in the nation. And so they hadn't lost a game in 4 years. And that right there, that's tough competition. I mean, you go up against a team that hasn't lost in 4 years. You're coming in, all right. Maybe their reputation's preceding themselves a little bit. So, anyways, long story short, always want to play above. You always want to step up and go a little bit more, and take it to the next level. And I'll tell you a story more about what happened in the championship game in the next video here. But really remember this one thing. If you get only one thing from this, is always play up. Always play a little bit better. Always go just a little bit more. And remember, success comes from your heart. So keep flying high and jump high and just keep working on those skills. We'll talk soon.